Hi everyone, it's Karen. This is Scrap by Scrap. If you are new, welcome. And if you are new, welcome also. Today I am working on a tray, a metal tray that I got at Goodwill. And I think it was like $3.99. And so I painted it white just with chalk paint just so that you wouldn't have to watch me paint it with white. So we're going to use some rub-ons and I'm going to paint around the frame in using Golden Ticket from DIY. All right, so I'm just going to paint around here. All this clumpy stuff on the top. So I debated about this because I just wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. So I found some transfers that came, I think, from different packages, but they kind of go together. They might also not be from, they might all be from the same one. They were just torn out of the book, which I don't like doing because I'm one of those people that I need it to be in the original packaging. Like, even if I buy something and I know eventually I'm going to sell it, I save the box because I think it just is nice to have. So if you're selling something, you can put it in its original packaging. So this is not from my mystery box that I got from my friend Jan. I did do an unboxing of it, but it did not get put up with my project I made last week because that was using stuff from the box that she gave me. So I will be putting that up as soon as I get another project done. That way I can just put it all together. So I do have a Facebook group, and I will probably put my stuff in there. I also have another group. I will list it below, and I'll probably put some stuff in there for sale. So I'll put both of those names of the groups in the stuff below. Okay, I'm gonna let that first coat dry, give it a little help. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. Oh, made a mess here. I am going to also paint this in gold. I just don't want any white showing through. So I was so excited this morning to see that my last project had 100 views. And it's sad, but you know, when you don't really get many views and you get 100, it's like a big deal. But I'm just gonna keep plugging along. So if anyone feels like sharing a video of mine, that would be great. Feel free to do that. I have to go 3 coats. definitely light coats. It just takes forever, but you don't want it getting all gloppy and stuck in these holes, which did happen on a few holes. But I have my little hokey pokey stick to get in there. Just don't want it all clumped up. All right, that's good for now. I can always touch it up. Now I'm going to gently, I should probably dry. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a light little, get rid of the brush stroke. Okay, so I will touch this up later, but what we are going to do is lay out our transfers. I don't know if I need this little piece, but all right, so I'm just going to kind of depending upon if I can find it. If I cannot find my tape measure, then we're going to guesstimate. There we go. That looks good right there. Find my little stick, and I will touch all this up, but it's going to be one of those never-ending battles. I'll get the gold right, then the white will not be, and all that fun stuff. All right. Okay, that is about good. Okay, guys, so I went to finish the tray that we're making and forgot to turn my phone on. So I'm on my last transfer, so I'm gonna show you that. Oh, my mind has just not been working today. So anyway, I put down these transfers and I will let you know where they came from. And yeah, I tried to do it earlier, but I guess my paint wasn't dry enough, so that didn't work out. And then I just walked through the door and I said, oh, let me go finish that, and then realized I never turned my phone on. So I'm sorry, I didn't really do anything except for just rub these on. But other than that, basically saw it was just painting. But if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments and I will answer the second I see them. But basically I've just been rubbing. Okay, so there she is. And I'm so sorry that I did not record that. But basically, honestly, it was just rubbing and that was it that you missed. So that is my project. And again, I'm so sorry. But, and now all I'm going to do is seal it and that's it. You want to watch that? All right. Okay. We can do that. Okay, so I'm going to use this brush, and that's all I'm going to do. Just seal this. I just found out that at the store where I have some of my projects that my book sold from not last week, but the week before, the book that I made. That sold. I was very excited. So now I just gotta bring this there and a couple of other things. And that's it. I'm just gonna let it dry and she will be done. So thank you very much for watching, for checking out my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. And if you could like and subscribe, I would appreciate that so much. And that's it. So I hope you all have a great week. Talk to you later. Bye.